Hi guys, it's Mrs. Pigeon. You caught me doing my laundry. Nah, I'm just joking. I want to teach you guys how to do something different that doesn't include math, doesn't include writing, or reading, but it will help your mom and dad, grandmas, grandpas, aunts and uncles, dads and moms, cousin Carol, and Uncle Bill. So here's the deal. I have a bucket full of socks, and all of you are going to join me in matching them and putting them together. So I just want you to know I love socks. I love fun socks more than anything else. I have sheep socks, cat socks, gnome socks, owl socks, elephant socks, Mona Lisa socks, my favorite, Pigeon socks, and these are Mr. Pigeon socks. His are not fun. We're not going to use his because I don't like them. So what we're going to do today is we're going to match our socks. So I'm going to just pull something out of the bucket and I'm going to match it. It just happens to be the same one. What we need to do when we match our socks is just put it on top of the other one. I found the pigeon one, but this one's inside out. So what you need to do is you need to open the top with one hand, put your other hand in and reach all the way down to the bottom. Grab the bottom of the sock and pull it out. This is just like if you were putting on your socks and shoes to come to school. Match it with the other pigeon sock. Next one is my gnome socks. They're very good to wear with boots. Ooh, Lady Liberty. I don't know if I have another one of those. I'm sure that happens at home. Everybody has a missing sock now and again. My big elephant socks. Some of my kids know I love my cat socks. Oh, here's the cat now. I have Mona Lisa and match them with my Mona Lisa sock. And the last one is the owl. So let me show you how we're going to put our socks together. We match the tops of the socks together. I'm going to have you hold the socks with both hands on the side. I'm going to have you take your thumb. It's going to be on one side of the sock and it's going to reach into the second sock, and we're going to bend it down and pull the insides up. That way our socks stay together. Mom and dads and aunts and uncles and grandmas and grandpas will be really happy when we have all of our socks matched. So that's one. Here is my owl sock. Put them together. This hand is going to sit on this side. My thumb is going into not the first sock, but the second sock. I'm going to bend it over. I'm going to hold the other side of the sock still, bend it over, and pop it through. Pigeon socks. You know why I have these. Same thing. The hand on this side is going to reach to the second sock. This hand is going to hold the other side of the sock. You're going to bend it in, roll it up. For my favorite friends with my cats, same thing. I'm going to hold it, take my thumb, move it to the second sock, hold this side, roll it, pull it through. All right, here we go. Mona Lisa, they both matched. Second sock, my thumb goes in the second sock. This thumb stays on the other side. We're gonna roll it and pull it through. My gnome socks. Oh, I didn't show you. They have pink flamingos on them too. Very cool. Same thing. Put the tops together. Put my thumb in the second sock. Put this on the side. Bring your fingers up. Roll it through. Elephant socks. Put them together. Put my thumb in the second sock. Hold it with the second side. Push my fingers up and roll it through. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm sure everybody at home has one sock. And unfortunately, today it's Lady Liberty. She doesn't have her mate. Oh, well, that one can go just into the bucket. All right, guys, so that's one thing that you can do at home when you're home with mom and dad, grandma and grandpa, aunts and uncles, your cousins, but hopefully you're all staying separate. And I really hope that you try this at home. I think it would be a big help for mom and dad, especially where they're working so hard to make sure that you're doing everything at school. All right, guys, I hope you have a great week. Be safe. I miss all of you, and I want to see you guys soon. Go fold some laundry. Have a good day.